rails in first, and we attach the plinth board to the bottom of the rail. So I'll pre-cut this one, and I'll show you. So I'll nail it into the post here. Come down this end. Because this has got capping on it. Put this baling on first. Alright, so I've nailed the plinth into the post. Now I'll nail it into the bottom rail. So I've got the bottom rail hanging below the top of the plinth by about 25 mil. There. And then just do the same on that bay. And then no bowing of the plinth.